Hi there, Ice Cream Gecko here, and today I'm going to give you a quick little tip on how to extend the life of your ferrocerium rod. So a lot of the time on YouTube I see people applying full pressure right here while striking and gradually kind of releasing it towards the end because they don't have any finger falls behind it at this point. And if you do that for long enough, you will wear down the middle right here and you will create a kind of bathtub shape. If you do that for long enough, then you will wear this down so far that the tip right here will just break off and you waste a lot of material. So a way to avoid that is to use a ferrocerium rod like you would, do a pencil when you sharpen it without having a pencil sharpener. You will just wear off the tip of the thing and you can gradually use it up all the way to the end. And it will give you just enough sparks to do your usual stuff. I mean, in the end, if you need more sparks, you can always use the whole thing, like, who cares? But for usual stuff, I find myself not using too many sparks. Well, with lighting a spirit burner or lighting some kindling, something like that. I never need a whole rain of sparks flying around all in the air. And with a bit of practice, you can actually use just this tip and direct enough material towards your source that you want to ignite to get the fire going. So I don't use this here too often, and I try to use only a certain part of the thing. Of course, you will want to rotate the rod when you wear down one side of this here. So just as a little demonstration, I would strike the front of it. Also, try to keep your finger pushing on the tip right here. You will not burn yourself. You will just have enough pressure to wear off enough material and ignite those sparks so that you don't wear down the thing too too specifically at one spot. So as you can see right here, you can, those are enough sparks you can throw around with just using the tip right here. And of course you will rotate that once that wears down a bit. And as you can see right here, enough stuff. They always bounce around on the ground. So just a little tip. If you want to do this a different way, I mean, heck, do whatever you want. Just a quick reminder on how to extend the life of a ferrocerium rod. Also, a little bonus tip, I try to keep this in a little bag. I don't want this to scrub around against my cooking utensils and all that, because there are some rare earth materials in here that are of low to medium toxicity. This is not a big issue, because you have to have larger amounts of that in dust form in your lungs or somewhere else to actually cause harm, I guess. But I just, maybe I'm paranoid, but I keep it in this little bag just to let it scrub around. Thank you for watching. This has been Ice Cream Gecko. I hope I'm going to see you soon. Goodbye.